Powerful. Every day he ate a clove of garlic on an empty stomach, and this is what happened. The medicinal properties of garlic have been known and used as part of natural medicine for thousands of years. For one thing, it's a powerful antibiotic as well as antioxidant, which effectively fights infections and diseases. The best time to consume this vegetable is first thing in the morning because your stomach is empty and can fully absorb the nutrients in garlic. Garlic is a powerful antibiotic and antioxidant, but also protects your stomach from infections and diseases. You need to eat it before you have anything else to eat so that there is nothing in the stomach which would mix and assimilate nutrients in garlic. The health benefits of garlic are numerous. For those who complain of high blood pressure, this is the easiest and safest way to keep blood pressure under control. Best of all, you take it once a day and there are no side effects, as is the case with various medications. Inflammation of any kind can be prevented and cured by garlic. Those who suffer from arthritis can have immense benefits of garlic. Consuming garlic on an empty stomach will not only help you to fight the symptoms of arthritis but the pain in this regard. This miraculous plant keeps you at a distance of infection, fungus, warts, bacteria, and all other bacterial infections. In case you are already a victim of some of these infections, take garlic once a day and you will feel much better within a few days. A weak immune system is now a common thing. Due to the decline of the immune system, there often comes to colds, flu, nasal allergies, and serious illnesses. When your immune system is strong, it is able to protect you. Garlic gives you strength. 1 clove of garlic has 12 mg of potassium, 5 mg of calcium, and 100 sulfur compounds. Garlic is very beneficial for the lungs. It will help in the prevention and treatment of respiratory diseases. It can even prevent pneumonia, bronchitis, congestion, cough, and much more. Garlic is the best natural medicine for hypertension as it keeps blood pressure under control without incurring any side effects.